Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you our latest MEMS accelerometer, Palar 220. Here's an outline of this unboxing video. First, we'll talk about the spec, feature, accessories, pin configuration, installation, and operation of Palar 220. Let's talk about the spec. ADC 24-bit, dynamic range 128 dB, measuring range ±1G, ±2G, ±4G, and ±15G. Noise density 0.7 microG over square roots Hertz. RMS equals root mean square. Power consumption less than 3 watts at 12 VDC. Waterproof IP67. It is well suited to the wide range of challenging applications such as earthquake early warning, seismic observation, condition-based monitoring for industrial equipment utilize ultra-low noise, high stability, and low power consumption using the fine processing technology of quartz. Secondly, let's talk about feature. The feature of Palar 220 is the P-wave displacement algorithm developed by Professor Wu from National Taiwan University. Palar 220 embeds PD algorithm to determine if the following earthquake shockwave is destructive from the first 3 seconds of the P waves. With this function, Palar 220 can not only provide the real-time acceleration for earthquake early warning networks, but also provide on-site emergency control to cover the blind zone of regional earthquake early warning by using digital output contact and Modbus communication ability. Thirdly, let's check out all the accessories shown in this picture. Here we have an embedded sensor model, the accelerometer, 2 Allen keys, a set of Allen screw, 3 connectors, a set of universal power adapter. Now we move on to the look of Palar 220. Here we have an LCD display, function button, a leveling bubble, sensor socket for external model, an auxiliary socket for control, and power socket, and a network socket. Here's the pin configuration for power port, auxiliary socket, and sensor socket. Now we move on to installation. For the orientation setting, Palar 220 provides installation types, ground and wall. The default setting is ground. If you want to install the instrument on the wall, just switch the installation mode in the configuration file. Next is the leveling. Please utilize the 3 leveling screws to center the bubble. For more detail about how to set up through our web interface, you can refer to our other tutorial videos. The Palar 220 will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD monitor will display booting for about 20 seconds. Then you will see the product name and its software version on the first row. Palar 220 uses one button operation. This specific function will be triggered based on the seconds you press. While you are pressing the function button, you can see the seconds counting down on the display. The function list is shown in this chart. Normally, press and hold the function button for 1 second and the IP address will be displayed. And 4 seconds in button push is the most important function to reload any changed settings. After you have finished monitoring, you can press the button for 12 seconds to turn off Palar 220. The LCD monitor will display power off after about 10 seconds. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlian.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlian Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.